Welcome back. In part 1, we revealed how AI evolved from a product to a productivity, helping tech giants achieve astonishing profit growth. But the true allure of the AI revolution extends beyond the tech industry. Its disruptive power lies in how it will permeate every traditional industry, like water and electricity, reshaping data-intensive, process-intensive, and knowledge-intensive sectors. Our investment strategy uses the AI adopter blueprint outlined in Part 1, defined by its reliance on massive amounts of proprietary data, repetitive knowledge work, and complex optimization problems, as a precise prospecting shovel to identify industries poised for radical AI transformation and the companies with the greatest potential for leapfrogging. Today, we will focus on 4 key sectors: industrial automation, geospatial intelligence, legal technology, and drug discovery. These industries may seem unrelated, but they all share one thing in common. They are poised to be fundamentally reshaped by the power of AI. The first sector is industrial automation, the AI-driven smart factory. The essence of manufacturing is a struggle against uncertainty in the physical world. Machines break down, products have defects, and processes experience bottlenecks. Traditionally, we've addressed these issues with preventive maintenance and spot quality inspections. But this is like regularly changing the oil in your car. Regardless of whether it's actually needed, it's costly and inefficient. AI is changing all of this, making predictive maintenance and full quality inspection possible. The industry's pain points are unplanned downtime, inconsistent product quality, and wasted energy. The AI solution, by analyzing massive amounts of data from sensors, such as temperature, vibration, and pressure, AI can predict equipment failures weeks in advance, automatically identify subtle defects on the production line, and optimize energy consumption in real time. Let's take Rockwell Automation (ROK) as an example. Rockwell is not an AI startup, but a century-old industrial automation giant. This is precisely its unique advantage. It doesn't just talk about algorithms. It deeply embeds AI capabilities into the industrial control systems and manufacturing execution platforms that its customers already rely on. Its core AI products are as follows. Guardian AI. Used for predictive maintenance of equipment, it monitors data from existing variable frequency drives to proactively alert maintenance teams of potential failures. Logix AI and Vision AI embed machine learning models directly into controllers, enabling factory operators to optimize production and conduct visual quality inspections in real time without requiring data scientists. These tools deliver quantifiable returns on investment. Rockwell Automation's AI solutions have already delivered tangible financial benefits to customers. For example, through a partnership with the California Water Authority, its AI system helped a water treatment plant reduce aeration energy consumption by 31%. A collaboration with sustainable food company Meaty Foods significantly reduced energy consumption and waste by automating and optimizing production processes. These concrete examples provide strong evidence of the value of AI in the industrial sector. Despite declining sales in the second quarter of 2025 due to a challenging macroeconomic environment, Rockwell Automation increased its segment operating margin to 20.4% through effective cost control and high-margin AI businesses. The company also raised its full-year earnings per share guidance, demonstrating strong profitability and operational resilience. Next, let's look at geospatial intelligence. This field serves as the God's eye powered by AI. We are entering an era of data explosion, and the fastest-growing source is Earth observation data from space. Hundreds of satellites continuously capture Earth every day, generating petabytes of imagery. Manually analyzing this data is like looking for a needle in a haystack. AI, particularly computer vision and machine learning, has become the only key to transforming these raw pixels into actionable intelligence. The industry's pain points are: the sheer volume of data is too large for manual processing, and information extraction is inefficient. However, AI can automatically identify and track specific objects in images, such as ships, aircraft, and deforestation, monitor climate change, such as methane emissions, and predict agricultural yields. A company called Planet Labs, stock symbol PL, operates the world's largest Earth imaging satellite constellation, capable of daily scans of Earth's land surface. Its business model is shifting from traditional selling photos to providing high-margin subscription-based data services powered by AI analysis. It uses AI to harmonize imagery from its SuperDove satellites with data from third parties like Landsat and Sentinel-2, providing temporally consistent data for applications such as agricultural yield forecasting and disaster response. This technology employs convolutional neural networks, CNNs, to automatically identify and track ships and aircraft and monitor river changes. The company's Tanager, one hyperspectral satellite, combined with AI analysis, can precisely identify super-emitters of methane and carbon dioxide, providing critical intelligence for energy companies and governments' climate action. The company achieved its first positive free cash flow of $8 million in the first quarter of fiscal year 2026, ending April 30, 2025, a milestone demonstrating that its data-as-a-service business model is on track to sustainable profitability. At the same time, strong demand from the defense and intelligence sectors, growing over 20% year-over-year, is its primary growth driver. A backlog exceeding $500 million and a 262% year-over-year increase in remaining performance obligations provide the company with a high degree of certainty for future revenue growth. Let's turn to the legal services sector. AI will become a super legal assistant. The legal industry is knowledge-intensive, labor-intensive, and heavily reliant on text processing. Traditionally, attorneys and paralegals have spent hundreds, even thousands, of hours reviewing case documents, analyzing contract clauses, and conducting legal research. Generative AI is disrupting this model, capable of reading, understanding, and summarizing legal documents at superhuman speed, freeing attorneys from tedious, repetitive tasks. The industry is inherently characterized by expensive and time-consuming document review, inefficient contract management, and labor-intensive legal research. AI can automatically identify and tag privileged documents, reducing first-time review time by 80%, analyze contract portfolios to identify risks and opportunities, and rapidly generate case summaries and timelines. Let's examine two companies, IntApp, INTA, and DocuSign, Doku. IntApp provides an AI-powered customer intelligence platform for professional services firms such as law firms, consulting firms, and investment banks. IntApp Assist, the AI assistant within its core product, DealCloud, automatically monitors relationship signals, generates deal summaries, and personalized marketing emails, transforming unstructured relationship data into actionable business insights. The company is experiencing strong growth, with SaaS revenue increasing 27% year-over-year in the fourth quarter of fiscal year 2025 and annual recurring revenue from cloud services increasing 29% year-over-year. Second company, DocuSign is evolving from a simple electronic signature tool to an AI-powered intelligent agreement management (IAM) platform that covers the entire contract lifecycle. Its AI tools automatically analyze clauses, check for compliance, and track contract obligations, aiming to reduce legal review time by up to 40%. A Forrester study found that customers using DocuSign CLM, Contract Lifecycle Management, achieved an astonishing 356% return on investment within 3 years and reduced contract processing time by 83%. Finally, let's turn our attention to drug development. Drug development is one of the most expensive, time-consuming, and failure-prone areas of modern science. On average, it takes over 12 years and $2 billion to bring a new drug from development to market, with a success rate of less than 12%. This phenomenon of ever-increasing costs has been dubbed the anti-Moore's law in the pharmaceutical industry. AI platforms, particularly those combining automated labs and machine learning, have the potential to completely reverse this trend. Facing industry pain points, long R&D cycles, high costs, and high failure rates. Through large-scale simulations and data analysis, AI can identify drug candidates in weeks that would take years using traditional methods, thereby reducing the time it takes for a drug to enter clinical trials from 5 to 6 years to 2 to 3 years. Let's take Recursion Pharmaceuticals as an example. Recursion, stock symbol RXRX, is industrializing drug discovery through its unique AI platform, Recursion OS. The Recursion OS platform combines automated robotic labs with machine learning to conduct up to 2.2 million biological experiments per week. This generates a massive proprietary dataset of over 65 petabytes, which is used to train its AI models to identify new drug targets and candidate compounds. The company collaborated with NVIDIA to build BioHive 2, one of the world's most powerful biological supercomputers, and has established deep partnerships with major pharmaceutical companies such as Bayer and Roche. This not only validates its technology but also generates substantial partnership revenue. The company is still in its pre-profit phase, with high cash burn, but it possesses a robust cash reserve of approximately $500 million. Its partnership revenue in the second quarter of 2025 was $19.2 million, exceeding market expectations, and its strong market potential is gradually becoming apparent. A deeper analysis of these cases reveals a core trend. The value of general AI models is maximized when combined with proprietary data for specific industries. Planet Labs' advantage lies not in its state-of-the-art general-purpose large-scale models, but in its access to daily updated global satellite imagery data for training a geospatial AI. Similarly, Recursion's competitive advantage lies in its 65 petabytes of biological data accumulated through millions of automated experiments. These vertical AI companies are leveraging their unique data assets to build strong competitive barriers and fuel a powerful positive feedback loop, known as the data flywheel. Better AI models lead to better products or services, which in turn attract more customers, which in turn generate more proprietary data, further optimizing their AI models. Once established, this virtuous cycle will help early adopters rapidly widen the gap with their competitors, ultimately achieving dominance in their respective verticals and truly leapfrogging their growth. In the final section, we will integrate all of this analysis to build a clear and actionable AI profit revolution portfolio. Okay, that's all for now. We'll continue next time.